What's up, y'all? Welcome to the channel. If you're new and it's your first time, don't let it be your last time. My name is SHANTE REE, and this is honestly an all-around channel. I will be adding some new content very soon, but as of lately I have been doing a lot of fashion, some get ready with me's, it's some hair videos about locks as well. So if any of that interests you, make sure you hit the subscribe button, leave a like, leave a comment, share this video. And if you are returning, as always, welcome back. I know y'all read the title. It will be a maintenance vlog, but it is Bridesmaid edition, period. I'm so happy for my BFF and her hubby. I believe it is 5 years that they have been married, so go y'all. My face is shiny right here because it's a little bit of wax left. I did already get my eyebrows done, in which, if you are not new here, you already know that my eyebrow lady does not allow me to record, so I got that done off camera. But I am taking this set of lashes off, and I will be redoing my lashes. I have to basically get unready first and then get ready. Wow, my lips are so dry. But I have to take this out. Even though it's not that old, I need to get my hair redone. I have to have 3-strand twists for the event. I also have to soak off this set, and then I need to get a excuse me, I have to get a long, well, I don't have to get, I'm getting a long set, and it needs to be French for the event per the bride's request. So yeah, I'm gonna let y'all see the full look, you know, the full 1-2 at the end once everything is done, because 9 times out of 10 I'm not gonna vlog, but I'll let y'all see what the whole thing looks like put together, and just come along with me for my maintenance. Once again, thank y'all for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe if you have not subscribed or you are not subscribed, and we're gonna get straight into it. Good morning, y'all. Shante didn't go to daycare today, little Shante, so we about to grab breakfast, and then I gotta get my hair done. It is kind of cute from taking it out the other style, but I just don't like that it's got a lot of straight pieces to it. And on top of that, we already discussed that I will have my hair in 3 strands for the vow renewal. So that is what I'm about to do. Gotta go get my hair done. Just wanted to pop in with y'all and say hey. So we are about to hit the road.
When you get up, they gon' hate on you. Top of the list and I ain't number 2. Some call me ugly, some call me cute, but your girl won't stop calling, I know what to do. I might just block.
We on the long road to sell these drugs. You was so in love, you weren't gon' tell me nothing. Let me get this clear, cause I had no idea. I feel like I did too much. I feel like I did too much. Let's get naughty, yeah, I did all, yeah. I feel like I did too much.
Alright, good afternoon, y'all. I soaked my nails off. That feels very weird. So I had an appointment, but his first client kind of threw the schedule off, so I'm gonna go later and instead get my toes redone. They still look good, it's just that they grew out, and we don't have time to be looking half-assed and raggedy at this event. So yeah, I'm gonna have to get them to take the gel off and redo my French. So yeah, this coat is really cute for today. Like, I put it on for the aesthetic, but the truth is it is too cold for this. So I'm about to switch to my big black coat, and yeah, I'm gonna head out to the nail salon to get my toes repolished.
I'm sticky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your crib and I'm sliding. I'm sticky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your crib and I'm sliding.
are secured. The French is redone. I'm gonna show y'all in a second. So boom, that's the toes, French tip.
Look, you know how to peg and chit-chat-goes. I like R's and V's and O's. I don't really play no tic-tac-toe. With chubs through highs and lows. We seen man last night they froze. Was no cameras, was no pose. Just like that one time at Chella. Good thing man, we're pulling our phones. They ain't big 6'6" with woes. Man, start dissing and doing repos. They do anything except rolls. Still can't see them after it snows. I don't have time for the wasteman jokes. Personal thing if I'm getting up close. Loyal to Oaks, I'm taking an oath. Versace Hotel and I'm taking a roll. Seen them in person, I'm seeing the ghost. They told me relax as they're taking control. Take all that shit up with P and his bro. I wish you the best, let me know how it goes. Wanna be free and I wanna let go. Came around and you showed us the most. I know so much shit that I cannot expose. I keep it inside and I laugh on my own. Got all the tea and I'm hotting it up. I need a shade mansion, no rooms not enough. They drop us some shit, but that shit was a buzz. They got no direction and following us. I come from a city that they never touched. Your man is a goofy and he can get brushed. I can't name a rapper, a girl that I trust. I dream about turning these shits into dust. Scorpion out now. Yeah. Look, you know how to peg and chit-chat goes. I like R's and V's and O's. I don't really play no tic-tac-toe. Been with rocks through highs and lows. We seen man last night they froze. With no cameras, with no pose. Just like that one time at Nobu. Good thing man, we're pulling out phones. Think you know me, that's not true. We got ties and that's and two. She came over and she got slew. Throwing up six like man had flu. I got way too big off views. Back to the basics, I won't lose. They wanna link when they got no tunes. They too worried about selling out shoes. I don't give a fuck about jeans or crap. Or going to Milan or going to the Met. I just wanna make these songs for the set. I just wanna load that and let that wet. I got so much things in the stats. Rolled up anyone done that clash. Got no sense like jizz in the shit. Big and bad like lead and shit. Can't do love cause they get too attached. Don't get broke and we get scratched. I'ma just take my knots and cash. You never tie me down, that's facts. All that bark, but we know he's a cat. I don't really like going tit for tat. I'ma just come like tat, tat, tat. I'ma just end that there, that's that.
Good morning, y'all. So it's the day before time to leave. I'm doing my skincare routine, so if you have not seen that, I will link it and make sure you go and watch it. Also, as y'all can see, I did put a new set of lashes on. I'm gonna fill them in a little bit more. I see some gaps that I want filled. But yeah, so I'm gonna get in the shower. I'm gonna shave and do all that good stuff. So with my nails, he did them all acrylic, so it was like a little mistake. And he did the tips of them pink, which was very cute, but I have to have the basic pink and white for the thing, so I did have to go back and change my tips from pink to white. So next time y'all see me, I will probably be in my dress, just to give y'all a 1-2 and show y'all what it looks like while I'm all put together. And I'll see y'all in a second.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, high and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me.
So this is the final look, y'all. My face gonna be beat and all that stuff because there's gonna be a makeup artist there. But just for the purpose of y'all seeing what I'm gonna look like, here we are. This is what it's giving. The jewelry, the dress, giving. Now, only thing about this dress, if I don't step right, it's gonna be a disaster because you see how, yeah, y'all see how long it is. So yes, this is what it's giving. This is me, this is she. We all gonna be looking fine as hell. Let me know what y'all think about this video. Thank y'all for transforming with me. And it's actually time for me to get ready to head there. So I will catch y'all in the next video. Hey y'all, it's Shantae from the future. So I am back now from the event. It was so beautiful and just, oh my God. I'm gonna insert some clips from just getting ready and the actual event. The bride was so beautiful. All of us bridesmaids did our thing. Everybody came together, and yeah, so y'all just enjoy this last segment of the video. And again, thank y'all for watching.
MG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas brown, high that they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know